Hello everyone, this is Jonathan with Resale World Technical Support, and this is a video on how to use change item details. If you would like to change the details of items en masse, we do have a feature built into Liberty 5 for this. We click on the Activities menu at the very top left, then we click on Inventory, and finally we click on Change Item Details. So this works by using a group of filters, and the right side has the Make These Changes options. So we can change any one of these fields here en masse for the items that we select. So prime example, I want to go ahead and change all my items and make an effect on this. So we just simply put from the account number 1 to 99999, and that's going to basically select every single account here. Next, I want to go ahead and change items that had a process date of, let's say, June 1st to June 30th. And I want to make these items look like they were processed on May 31st, every single one of them. So I can go over here to the right side, and we're going to change the process date to May 31st. So now when I click OK, it's going to find all the items with that selection method, and it's going to update them to the new process date. Notice that it won't affect any items with a process date before 6/1 or after 6/30, obviously, because that would be a future date. So let's start all over again. We go into Activities, Inventory, and then Change Item Details. From here, a couple of things we can change. We already covered the process date. We can change all items to a new price code. We can change items that had maybe the wrong category to a new category that we created. We can change any items that we select to move to a new location en masse. If we're using section, we can also do that. And finally, we can change many items to go to a new tax type. So this is a very powerful tool. Definitely want to be very careful when you make your item changes. I would really recommend making a backup and probably doing this at the end of the night if you're going to make any changes en masse. That way you can kind of look through the changes that you made and make sure that they're to your liking. This was a video on how to use change item details in Liberty 5.